Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver Part 3 Important Current Affairs for the Law CT 3 years, 5 year and B.Ed CT guys. So as I told you last time, I will update you regarding the current affairs, what are the important areas. So last two session I already given the top 10 important news, and today's session is a very special because here I will discuss the multiple things, for example, which is most I can say 95% expected area from here. Today I will discuss the military exercise, important award expected for exam, important date which may become grand slam, which is most important, highly, especially US Open जो अभी recently complete हुआ है, and important government scheme. So these all are area I can say from here at least minimum you can expect the 5 questions. So what are the important and expected I will discuss today. Before start the discussion, here is the one important information related to the HEIST workshop, which is especially for the Law CT 3 years, 5 year and B.Ed स्टूडेंट हु आर गोइंग टू अपीयर द एग्जाम. सो इसको डिजाइन इसी वे में किया गया है कि आपका स्कोर इंक्रीज हो एग्जाम में, स्पेशली पजल्स, जीके एंड जो रीजनिंग सेक्शन, इंग्लिश सेक्शंस में आपको प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, तो स्पेशली दिस वर्कशॉप इज फॉर इंक्रीज द मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम. सो ऑल द डिटेल्स हियर इज गिवन. इट मींस द वर्कशॉप विल बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे 15 सितंबर. सो जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन कर लिया, सो दैट इज ग्रेट, दे विल गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप. जिन्होंने अभी नहीं किया एंड दे आर प्लानिंग टू ज्वाइन द टुमारो द नेक्स्ट डे, सो उनके लिए एक इन्फॉर्मेशन है. तो ऑल द लेक्चर्स विल बी अवेलेबल इन द रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्मेट, जो अभी आज कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, कल हो जाएगा. अगर से वो थोड़ा सा लेटर डिले करके ज्वाइन कर सकते, बट आई रिकमेंड डोंट डिले, ज्वाइन एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. बट अगर से डिले होता है तो ऑल द लेक्चर्स विल बी अवेलेबल इन द रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्मेट गाइड. ओके, सो डेट वाइज ऑल द डिटेल्स इज गिवन. इट मींस कौन से डेट को कौन सा लेक्चर्स कंप्लीट होगा, क्या हम कवर करेंगे. ओके, एंड ज्वाइनिंग लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड यू कैन स्कैन एंड पे easily. You can join this workshop. Now come to the discussion part. So first important area, as I told you, military exercise. So first one is a Indian Air Force participating in the exercise Desert Flag being hosted by the UAE. So कहाँ पे हो रहा है? UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay, and the Indian Air Force will participate for the first time in exercise Desert Flag. याद रखो इस exercise का नाम, which is being Al Dhafra Air Base. इसका नाम भी आप remember रखो. This is also very important from March 3, 2021. Okay, so this military exercise is highly expected. और भी जितने भी हैं expected exams के लिए, so वो सारे मैंने यहाँ पे cover किए हैं. Next one is a France launch first military exercise space code name Asterix. Okay, so this is a especially space military exercise. Okay, so France launched its first military exercise on a March 8, evaluate its ability to defend its satellite and other defense equipment for an attack. So after this exercise guys, now France is the third nation in the world after the US and China who is participating in the space military exercise type of the technology, who developed the space war type of the technology. So just remember the name of this space military exercise. This is the very important. Okay, and third one is the Indian Navy and European Naval Force hold first joint exercise. So in first, Indian Navy is participating in the joint exercise is the European Union level, and the full form of it is EU. It means European Union Naval Force. Okay, so this is the still for INS Trikan will participate in this military exercise. This is the 2-day exercise Gulf of Adan. Okay, so this is also very important. Simply question हो सकता है कि इंडियन नेवी ने जो यूरोपियन यूनियन के साथ पार्टिसिपेट किया था, what was the name of the place? Bay of Bengal दे देगा, अरबियन सी दे देगा, एंड गल्फ ऑफ अडान दे देगा, एंड नन ऑफ दिस. इस तरह से ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं. तो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको अपडेट रखनी है. फोर्थ वन इज द इंडियन नेवी टेक पार्ट इन यूएस नेवी लीड मल्टीनेशनल Sea Cat exercise. This is also very important. This is the multi-nation navy exercise and India participated in it. So this is also very important. So here you can read the Indian Navy participated in the US Navy lead Southeast Asia cooperation and training, which is known as the Sea Cat military exercise Singapore to demonstrate the maritime maneuvers. Basically this is the multi-nation naval exercise. Now fifth one is the India Russia joint military drill exercise Indra, which is very famous 2021 to be held in Russia. तो कहाँ पे होगा इस साल? रसिया में होगा. The 12th edition of the Indo-Russia joint military exercise called the exercise Indra, which is very famous, will held. The name of the place is given Volgograd, Russia from 1st to 13 अगस्त. तो बहुत रिसेंट का है, हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड हो सकता है एग्जाम्स के लिए. नेक्स्ट एरिया इज अवार्ड सेक्शन. ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन किया, थोड़ा सा आपके एंड से भी इसको गूगल कर लेना, अच्छे से डिटेल्स में रीड कर लेना, बिकॉज इफ आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन द डिटेल, सो वीडियो काफी लेंथी हो जाएगा, तो बट जस्ट फॉर द हिंट ये मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया। इसका डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने अपने पीडीएफ एंड लेक्चर्स में कवर किया है। सो आप जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो आपके हिंट के लिए ये सारे पॉइंट्स दिए गए विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो यू कैन मार्क। थोड़ा सा आपको अपने एंड से भी एफर्ट देके इन डिटेल्स स्टडी करना है। ओके, डेविड डियोप विन द इंटरनेशनल बुकर 2021। सो बुकर प्राइज विन किया इन्होंने। डेविड Diop has become the first French novelist to win the International Booker Prize for the translated fiction with the Night All Blood is Black, his first novel translated into English. So guys, जो ये Booker Prize है, it is a given to whom who translate the any other language novel into the English language. Okay, Man Booker Prize which is given to the novel which is written in the English language. So ये थोड़ा सा different होता है. So just remember the name of the person. He received the International Booker Prize. Okay, Geeta Mittal to be awarded the Arline Patch Global Vision Award. Okay, this is also very important. जो legal service में people होते हैं, especially women's के लिए है ये. So former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, Justice Geeta Mittal has declared as one of the two recipient of the Arline Patch Global Vision Award फॉर द 2021. सो जो फीमेल्स होते हैं स्पेशली जुडिशरी में, नेशनल या फिर इंटरनेशनल जो भी है, उनको ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है. तो जस्ट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ हर. देन नोबल ल्यूरेंट अमर्त्य सेन कॉन्फर्ड विद द स्पेन टॉप अवार्ड. सो दिस अवार्ड इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इंडियन पर्सनालिटी रिसीव इट. सो इंडियन इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड नोबेल Laurent Amartya Sen has been conferred with the Spain Top Princess Austria Award to the Social Science category. Spain Prize Foundation announced. Okay, so this award is also very very important. Fourth one is the Dr. Nageshwar Reddy become the first Indian to win the Rudolf V. Schindler Award. So basically Padma Bhushan awarded and noted gastrologist Dr. Nageshwar Reddy, who is also the chairman of the AIG Hospital, has won the Rudolf V. Schindler Award from American Society of the Gastrointestinal Endoscopy. So Dr. Nageshwar Reddy is the first Indian who won this award. So next one is the Zhao, first Asian women to win the Best Director Oscar. So Chinese-born filmmaker Kuelo Zhao has become the first Asian woman to win the Best Director Academic Award, which is Oscar. Already I discussed in the last video. So but award section से था तो again I covered it. So just remember, important है. She won the award for her film Nomadland, and Nomadland won the 3 major awards, namely Best Director, Best Actress, which is given to Frances McDormand, and Best Picture. Okay, the film is about to who leave town after her husband die. So basically यहाँ से सारे points important है. So just remember each one. Okay, next area is the important day. As we know, one question will be from the important day. So what are the expected? First one is the National Sports Day, Major Dhyan Chand birthday, which is observed on 29 August. Just remember 29 August highly expected है. And March 16 National Vaccination Day, and theme for it is a vaccine brings us closer. Okay, November 11 which is also expected National Education Day, recover and revitalize education for the COVID-19 generation. So it's observed on the 11 November. April 13 which is Jallianwala Massacre Day, 13 April 1919. Okay, so important as a history point of view also. And Jan 13 which is the National Matriarch Day, and Sarvodaya Day, it is also known as a Sarvodaya Day, and World Leprosy Education Day. So on Jan 30 we observe the 3 important days. So just remember these all one. Okay, so here I given the 5 important day which is most expected for the exams. Now come to the Grand Slam, which is also very very important, highly expected one question from here. So some of the additional information here I given. For example, Australia Open when it's held, so Jan month, French Open from the late May to early June, and Wimbledon in the late June to early July, and US Open अभी recently हुआ है, बहुत फनी था, उसमें आप देख सकते हो नोवाक जोकोविच का रॉकेट ब्रेक करते हुए. सो अगस्त सितंबर द ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड यूनाइटेड स्टेट टूर्नामेंट आर प्लेड ऑन द हार्ड कोर्ट, ये भी कभी कभी एग्जाम्स में आता है. ओके, द फ्रेंच ऑन क्ले and the Wimbledon on a grass. So these all are the some static information. Now current affairs point of view से किस पर्सन ने ओन किया है मेंस कैटेगरी में, वुमेन्स कैटेगरी में एंड डबल कैटेगरी में. तो डबल से तो वैसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं आता है, मेन एंड वुमेन से रिलेट करके क्वेश्चंस आएगा. सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ओपन नोवाक जोकोविच यहाँ पे मैंने दे दिया है, नाओमी ओसाका इन वुमेन्स कैटेगरी, फ्रेंच, विम्बलडन, यूएस अभी रिसेंटली हुआ. ये बहुत ही फनी मैच आप देख सकते हैं, यूट्यूब पे काफी क्लिप है. डेनियल मेदवेदेव ने नोवाक जोकोविच को डिफीट किया, सो ही वाज वेरी एनॉय, वो वीडियो भी काफी वायरल हुआ है. इन वुमेन्स कैटेगरी एमा इज वेरी हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड फॉर द एग्जाम. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर यूएस ओपन बिकॉज अभी रिसेंटली हेल्ड हुआ है, सो यहाँ से चांस काफी हो सकता है. बाय द वे all the details here I given, you can pause the video and revise. revise, which is a very important. And the next area, which is a government scheme. So here I mentioned the important government scheme, which is the Startup India seed to fund the scheme for the जो startup है. निपुण भारत मिशन, आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान is also highly expected for the exam. स्वामित्व स्कीम जो प्रॉपर्टीज है स्पेशली द रूरल एरिया में जिसके पास पेपर्स नहीं है, उस पेपर्स को गवर्नमेंट के रूल के अकॉर्डिंग ही विल बी द owner of that property. Okay, and PM Swanidhi, everybody know PM Swanidhi, it means government provides some amount of the loan to start your own business. Okay, so these all are the important government scheme which you have to read from your end also in details, highly expected है. तो ये सब सारे पॉइंट्स पे आप आपके एंड से R&D कर लेना, एक नोट्स बना लेना, सारे फैक्ट पॉइंट टू पॉइंट नोट करके रिवाइज करके when you will appear the exam, so definitely you will get the good score. By the way, we will discuss about this all the area in our workshop in detail. So if you want, so you can join to get the more benefit. And if you are planning for the 2020-23 for the Law City 3 years, 5 year and B.Ed entrance, so you can join us. You will get the live lecture, classroom books, and for more details you can contact on this number. Number is given 8828585554. Otherwise you can visit on our website, and when will be the classroom lectures will be open, so you can visit our Borivali, Vasai and Dadar center, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe to get the continued update regarding the exams, regarding the current affairs and the latest update, guys. Okay, so see you in next session with the new updates. Thank you.